Hello, welcome to our channel. So today we're gonna do a makeup video for you guys and we'll show you guys how to do a perfect eyebrow. So please stay tuned and watch the video till the end.
First off, I'll be using my brush to just brush up my eyebrow to create my shape, and then I'll be using my dark brown pencil, just a regular one at the beauty supply that I bought for like $1, to just create this nice shape that I want to achieve. And then I'll be brushing again, just brush to create this natural look, baby. Yes, because you just want it to look natural. And also we'll need this angled pencil with a dark gel. We'll be using it to create the underline of our eyebrow. Don't put a lot of products, we just need a little bit to just create just the shape of it. We'll be brushing again, brushing to just like make it look as natural as possible. And now we'll need to use the concealer and just a regular angle.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and as you can guys see, this is the final look. Yes, my eyebrow is on flake, girl. Yes, I hope I'll see you in the next video.